Hello everybody. My name is Haru Imam, a senior project control engineer working in a Riyadh Metro project employed in Parsons International US MNC. I am also pursuing Doctor of Business Management from SBS Business School, Switzerland. I have executed various mega projects such as Riyadh Metro Rail project, Delhi Metro Rail project, Chenani Nasri Tunnel project, Delhi Airport Metro Express Line project, Mumbai International Airport project, and Delhi International Airport project. My research topic is construction robots and advanced digital technology utilization to improve the productivity of tunnel boring in infrastructure project. So you can see many things like work on the site while construction is in the largest and one of the most important industries in most developed countries around the world. The use of robots and advanced digital technologies for better productivity on the job site is very limited. Tunnels are used all over the world to link towns, cut through mountains for roads or rail tunnels, carrying water in dams, and drive deep into mines. These tunnels play a vital role in everyday life and their demand and use will increase in the coming years. However, tunnel construction for many things. The ratio of the index of output to the related index of aggregate input is known as productivity. Although there is no specific description for efficiency, several words are used to describe it, such as increasing success factors, production rate, and output per man days of work. In terms of physical method, productivity is as the ratio of input and output. That is the ratio of an associated resources input to actual output in generating economic values. The definition of productivity differs and determining a common productivity matrix is different because one organization has different standard and internal processes. Job per hour is a basic definition of efficiencies in the construction industry. The factor affecting construction productivity in tunnels are each aspect may have a different effect on assumptions and estimations. Construction's efficiency, contractual, financial, fiscal, political, physical risk factor can also categorize into separate risk category. Cost and time overrun in tunnel construction projects are often caused by conditions that are not factored into the calculation. There has been a lot of work put into the linking tunnel output to geological and system influences. Now there are many conditions which causes delays such as management conditions. All site operations must be coordinated by distributing proper personnel at the proper time in the proper venue and with proper efficiency for the construction work to flow smoothly. In today's mining project, on time or early project execution is major critical than ever because time delays cost contractor more money by reducing profit margin. Not only this, but also by using TVMs. This is one of the latest technology after Natam. The builder can be able to reach a quicker average construction time. Since the time it takes to acquire TVM can be a very long time of procurement as it can take around 12 to 14 months causing a delay in start. It is better to pre-plan the procurement of TVMs for mining project rather than waiting for the entire delivery duration of the contract. Now there are environmental conditions also which can cause delays such as due to heavy weather conditions. Areas where tunneling is performed often poses special difficulties for preparing to forecast its actions. Due to lack of technology in the field of geological imaging, geology between tunnel portals is one of the most significant factors shaping tunneling cost. Now there are physical conditions that can also convey to the delay such as TBM range is determined by the scale of the construction site and its usability. To lift the TBM into and out of the launching and retrieval shafts, heavy crane need extra space on site, which will directly illustrate the size of the individual TBM pieces that can be transported in various places. For crane and trailer transport, a low gradient surface is preferred. The use of curved alignment is prohibited. A TBM within a 8 to 10 meter shield body would weigh over around 130 tons, rendering access to site, carrying such as heavy load, difficulties in hilly area. There are various other conditions also in the physical condition which can contribute, like the movement in the hilly area, the procurement, the shifting of the TBM and other parts. And there are also like breakdowns of TBMs or any other equipment that can also cause a delay. Delay can cause up to around 73% of the excavation per week to be inefficient. In more than half of the scenarios, TBM use is exacerbated by delays and maintenance. TBM cutting tools are subject to wear during mining. Mechanical and electrical devices overheat as a result of harsh environment conditions, resulting in risk exposure. There are various other things which can go wrong while dumper, while the things which take the TVM muck out, the conveyor belts also. But TVM cutting tools are subject to wear and tear in machines are the major factors. There are other delays such as delay times caused by breakdown of time reserved for mining limit, TVM improvement and productivity. Construction delay are one of the most common issues that impact cost, timelines, efficiency and safety. Client, customer, consultants, planner, operator, contractor and supplier will create delays. They may also create delay due to the communication gap, due to the wrong planning, due to the calculation of productivity. If they have not taken properly, then also there may be delays. There may be various delays due to the interfaces of the many activities. Now I will explain about the research methodology I have taken. The strategy to adopted to gather practical information from the undertaking site was systemized input from the questionnaires. The questionnaires were dispersed to the construction and infrastructure development experts in various regions. The survey studied was organized to give subtitles on the individual demographics factor causing delays and suggestion for mitigating the delays by the utilization of construction robot and advanced digital technologies. The collected data was evaluated through statistical techniques known as relative importance index used to analyze the data to get the desired result. The demographics of studies are the people, the respondent who given the answers where the qualification of those respondents was postgraduate, graduate, undergraduates. Postgraduate was around 18%, graduate was around 74%, and undergraduate was 8%. The role of that respondents were client, consultant, and contractor. The client were 22%, whereas consultant were 42%, and the contractor were 36%. And the experience counts was from 0 to 5%, it was 4%, from 5 to 10%, it was around 74%, whereas the balance 10%, 10 years plus experienced people were 22%. So the ranking of the delay factors has been analyzed through this questionnaire and index RRI. The major factor that come out to be physical conditions and the management condition, where the secondary condition come out to be breakdown and TBM parameter in tunnel constructions, and the tertiary is environmental conditions. So you can see that physical conditions are around 77%, whereas management conditions are around 75%, followed by the breakdown and TBM parameters in tunnel construction, which was 67%, and at last the environmental conditions which may arise, which may come up, which may go down, it is around 66%. So to mitigate this delay, we have proposed two things like construction robots, which can be used in the future of infrastructure, and digital technologies, like there are various softwares, advanced techniques are used in digital technology like Primavera, Tilos and other, which help. And plus there are many jumbo and automatic jumbos are used as a construction robot. There are software used like Tunnel Manager, which is used to boring. They are given around 81 to 86% can be utilized to go further in future aspects. So in discussions and conclusion, I can conclude this about this study has discussed the significant factors which are responsible for causing delays in tunnel construction or any infrastructure project. Major factors of delays, as we discussed in the previous slides, was the management decisions and the site conditions, which is followed by breakdown and tunnel parameters, and which is further followed by the site conditions. And the mitigation can be done by using the construction robot and digital technology which support are the future infrastructure project to increase efficiency and cost. So in conclusion, I can say that the future is about using the digital technology, advanced digital technology and innovative techniques and the construction robot, which will definitely help in future to do various kinds of construction in tunneling. And thank you very much. If you have any question, please send me the question. I will be very happy to reply all the answer to you. And thank you very much.